iOS 14 changes got you looking for lower ad costs? I got you. Stick around to the end for a step-by-step tutorial. Hey, I'm Coco Mendez, a Facebook ad strategist who clears the complexities of Facebook ads for service-based business owners like yourself. Be sure to hit subscribe for more up-to-date Facebook ad tips, resources, and tutorials like this one. So here's the thing, Instagram Reel ads are still fairly new. So with that being said, there's a whole bunch of benefits to add this into your advertising arsenal. Like I mentioned earlier, Instagram Reel ads are showing us a low ad cost. And this is because we're seeing a higher reach. Even though Instagram is significantly a smaller platform than Facebook, we're still getting that ad out to so much more people. And because of that, you're gonna see a higher earnings per lead on your ads. So where is your Reel ads located? It lives in the same exact place like everything else, your ads manager. The only major difference is this is a new placement. So basically, the ad that you create, you can put it in different areas or placements that your potential clients can actually see them. So just like when they rolled out Instagram story ads, now these ads will be seen in Reels. At this moment in time, while I'm filming this video, the Reels ad placement is only available in certain campaign objectives, which are brand awareness, reach, engagement, video views, and of course, conversions. I do believe that we are going to see Facebook open up those other objectives, but at this moment in time, those are the only objectives that you can place your Reel ad. So in order for us to successfully create this Reel ad campaign, here's a few things you're going to need ahead of time. Number one, have at least, at the very minimum, 3 different audiences created and ready to go. Number 2, your ad copy. Now, if you struggle with converting ad copy, be sure to check out the description below and grab your free ad copy templates. The link is in the descriptions. And last but not least, have about 3 to 5 completed and prepared Reels for you to put into that Reel ad campaign. Let's get creating. Okay, as you can see, I am already in my ads manager, and how I got to this point, I went and clicked on the green button that says create, and it takes you right here to this pop-up window for campaign objectives. The objective I'm going to select today for the sake of this example is video views, and then going to click continue. And this is the screen that should be popping up. So first and foremost, I am going to name my campaign. There really is no right or wrong way to do this. It really depends on how your brain actually does organize data, or really how it works in itself. So some people put dates, some people, put things that are specific if you're in a specific launch. But again, it really depends. There's no right or wrong way to do this, okay? Next, I am going to go here to action menu where it says new video views ad. Click on action menu, and we're going to duplicate. Now, I want to duplicate 2 more copies for my ad section. So we're going to click duplicate, and now you see I have 3 different ads and 1 ad set. And this is mainly because we are going to be testing out the different reels or creatives that I already put together. But let's go back to the ad set level, and we're going to scroll down to audience. Once you're in audience, click on your saved audience, and this is where we're going to plug in the audience that was created. Now we're going to scroll down a little bit more to the placement section. and click on manual placements. Next, scroll down. Under platforms, we're going to unclick or uncheck Facebook, Audience Network, and Messenger. So you'll see only Instagram is checked in that box there. Next, go down to placements. We are going to unclick Instagram Feed, Instagram Explore, also Instagram Stories, and Instagram InStream. So only Instagram Reels is checked. And just to double check that, it says 1 out of 17 placements. Now the reason why I am only clicking Instagram Reels placement is really just to see a bit more accurate data. So what we're going to do next is scroll back up. I'm actually going to highlight and copy this title so that I can put it in my ad set title name. Next, we're going to move on to the actual physical ads themselves. And of course, this needs to be connected to a Facebook page and a business Instagram account. Scroll down to add creative. We're going to add a video. And found it there. Click next. And we are going to change up the text here. And copy and paste that right into primary text. And as you can see through the right-hand side, if you have the preview on switch, this is exactly how your audience is going to see your ad. And let's double check, make sure Pixel is there. Scroll back up and we are going to make sure we title that. So we are going to go into our second ad, and it's basically wash, rinse, and repeat from here. You're taking the same steps, so we're going to do a little fast forward from this point on. Okay, now that we have all 3 of our ads completed and filled in, we're going to go back to our ad set level here. Click on Action Menu. And we're going to duplicate. Now remember we did this before with the ads. Now we're going to do this with an ad set, but I only want one more copy. Again, for the sake of this example, we're just going to, this is to test out another ad set or audience. So what I'm going to scroll back down here to audience. This is my second audience that I'm going to be testing out. I'm going to highlight, copy, and paste this back in the title so that there, as you can see, there is a difference. Everything else should stay completely the same. And at this point, we've already done the work because these are the exact same ads that are going out, just 2 different ad sets or audiences. I'm going to go back to the campaign level, make sure that's clicked, highlighted blue, and at this point, you can go ahead and click publish. I'll see you on my next video coming your way on top 3 mistakes to avoid when creating a real ad campaign.